a single machine that can move 12,000 tons of material per hour, another that operates in temperatures hot enough to melt steel, and one that can print an entire two-story house from concrete. Machines that can excavate tunnel systems without a single human operator on site. Today, we're exploring the most extreme industrial machines ever built, pushing the boundaries of what's humanly possible. Komatsu P&H 4100C. The Komatsu P&H 4100C mining shovel exemplifies modern mining innovation, operating with peak power output of 4,000 horsepower and delivering 50% more energy efficiency than conventional systems. The shovel's AC drive technology reduces maintenance requirements by 25%, while extending component life by up to 40%. Its 85-ton bucket capacity, combined with a 42-second cycle time, enables the removal of 120,000 tons of material per day in optimal conditions. The advanced control system maintains precise bucket positioning with accuracy to within 4 inches even at maximum reach of 87 feet. Load-sensing hydraulics automatically adjust system pressure, reaching up to 5,800 pounds per square inch when needed, while maintaining an average operating pressure of 4,200 pounds per square inch for optimal efficiency. Camp C 3D Printer. Camp C's concrete 3D printing technology marks a revolutionary step in construction automation. Their printer stands 12 meters tall with a reach of 18 meters, capable of extruding 2.5 cubic meters of specialized concrete per hour. The system maintains printing accuracy within 2 millimeters, while operating at speeds up to 0.5 meters per second. This precision enabled the construction of Europe's first two-story 3D printed house, spanning 90 square meters with 8-meter height. The proprietary concrete mixture achieves 40% greater strength than traditional materials, while reducing carbon emissions by 60%. The automated material feeding system processes 18 tons of raw materials per day, maintaining consistent flow rates through a predictive pressure compensation system that adjusts 200 times per second. Caterpillar 994. Working alongside the MC51, the Caterpillar CAT 994 front loader dominates mining operations. At 239 tons, this giant handles payloads up to 250 tons with its 1,847 horsepower turbocharged CAT 3516E diesel engine. The power plant delivers peak torque of 7,878 pound-feet at 1,200 RPM, enabling continuous operation in extreme conditions. Its advanced air filtration system achieves 99.97% efficiency, extending engine life threefold, while the hydraulic system operates at 4,400 pounds per square inch, moving 427 gallons per minute to ensure rapid cycle times even with maximum loads. The machine's LED lighting array draws only 43% of the power of traditional systems while delivering 50% more luminosity in harsh mining environments. In terms of operational efficiency, the CAT 994 maintains an impressive fuel consumption rate of 0.28 gallons per ton, moved with cycle times averaging 28.5 seconds. The bucket consistently achieves a 96.3% fill factor, while the machine's smart load distribution system extends tire life by 15%. Liebherr LB44. The Liebherr LB44 foundation drilling system brings unprecedented mobility to heavy foundation work. This powerhouse weighs in at 115 tons, yet maintains remarkable maneuverability thanks to its advanced hydraulic tracking system. The LB44's Kelly drilling system reaches depths of 145 feet while maintaining a vertical accuracy of 0.15 degrees. Its power unit generates 530 horsepower, delivering maximum torque of 265 kilonewton-meters at the drilling head. The continuous flight auger system processes 180 cubic meters of material per hour, while the automated spoil removal system ensures continuous operation. Real-time monitoring systems track drilling parameters, including torque, speed, depth, and verticality, allowing for precise adjustments during operation. The machine's rapid setup time of just 45 minutes represents a 40% improvement over conventional systems, while its self-erecting capability eliminates the need for auxiliary cranes. Komatsu MC51 Continuous Hard Rock Miner. The Komatsu MC51 continuous hard rock miner represents the future of autonomous mining operations. This electrical powerhouse breaks down solid rock with robotic precision, creating tunnels 16.4 by 16.4 feet without human presence at the cutting face. Its breakthrough DUT technology maintains cutting accuracy within 2.16 inches, allowing operators to control everything remotely. The MC51's cutting head rotates at 45 RPM, generating 1,200 kilonewtons of cutting force, while consuming 30% less energy than traditional drilling and blasting methods. The automated rock handling system processes 650 tons per hour with built-in sensors adjusting cutting parameters in real time based on rock hardness. When operating at peak efficiency, the MC51 achieves 22.4 hours of cutting time per day compared to 16.8 hours for conventional methods, marking a 33% increase in operational time. The system requires 82% less ventilation than traditional methods and completely eliminates blast-related downtime, while its autonomous nature reduces human exposure to hazardous conditions by 95%. CAMAG transport systems. CAMAG transport systems operate in environments that push the boundaries of industrial durability. These machines handle materials at temperatures reaching 1,300 degrees Celsius, moving loads of up to 300 tons while maintaining precision control. The thermal protection system employs a triple-layer heat shield capable of withstanding continuous exposure to temperatures above 1,000 degrees Celsius. The machine's water-cooled undercarriage circulates 200 gallons per minute, maintaining critical components below 80 degrees Celsius, even in extreme conditions. Its specialized hydraulic fluid operates at temperatures up to 280 degrees Celsius, providing consistent performance throughout extended operations. Lugong 990F. The Lugong 990F excavator delivers unprecedented power with 496 kilonewton of digging force through its advanced hydraulic system. The sealed operator cabin maintains internal pressure at 2.1 kilopascals, above ambient, preventing dust infiltration while reducing noise levels to 68 decibels. The machine's computer-controlled climate system processes 1,200 cubic feet of air per minute, maintaining optimal temperature and humidity levels. Its bucket capacity of 5.2 cubic meters, combined with a 360-degree swing speed of 8.5 RPM, enables material movement rates up to 400 cubic meters per hour. The excavator's intelligent power management system optimizes fuel consumption, achieving efficiency rates of 52 liters per hour while maintaining peak performance. HRVB Hydraulic Vacuum Bucket by Dynaset. The HRVB Hydraulic Vacuum Bucket by Dynaset represents a breakthrough in waste management technology. This system converts hydraulic flow rates of 120 gallons per minute at 4,200 pounds per square inch into vacuum power, generating suction force equivalent to 27 inches of mercury. The integrated hydraulic motor operates at 2,800 RPM while maintaining 94% power conversion efficiency. Real-time pressure monitoring adjusts vacuum power 75 times per second, ensuring optimal suction across varying material densities. The system processes up to 15 cubic meters of waste material per hour while reducing fuel consumption by 35% compared to traditional vacuum trucks. Volvo L200H. Volvo's L200H high-lift log loader showcases precision in heavy material handling. Its 12.2-ton lifting capacity combines with a maximum reach of 8.4 meters, enabling efficient operation across large log yards. The advanced grapple system delivers 55 kilonewtons of closing force, while its hydraulic rotator reduces pendulum motion by 85% through active damping technology. The machine's collision avoidance system utilizes 12 sensors, providing 360-degree coverage with reaction times under 0.3 seconds. Enhanced LED lighting arrays generate 128,000 lumens of adjustable illumination while drawing only 1.2 kilowatts of power. Braca T35B. The Braca T35B 3-row trencher redefines efficiency in forestry operations. Its triple disc cutting system spans 2.4 meters, with individual blade diameters of 1.2 meters, rotating at 1,200 RPM. Each cutting disc generates 12,000 newtons of force while maintaining precise depth control through automated ground pressure adjustment systems. The machine processes soil and vegetation at rates up to 180 cubic meters per hour, while its advanced suspension system absorbs 95% of operational vibration. Soil density sensors adjust cutting parameters 80 times per second, optimizing performance across varying terrain conditions while reducing fuel consumption to 45 liters per hour. SmartRock T25R. The SmartRock T25R brings autonomous precision to infrastructure development. This single operator system maintains drilling accuracy of 0.1 degrees across depths up to 85 meters. Its automated rod handling system manages 30-foot drill strings with a cycle time of just 45 seconds between connections. The power unit delivers 1,200 foot-pounds of torque, while the intelligent load sensing system adjusts drilling parameters 100 times per second. Real-time geology mapping technology analyzes rock density and composition, providing immediate feedback for optimal bit selection and rotation speed. Kubler Spedition Transport System. Kubler Spedition's transport operations showcase extreme engineering in action. Their recent project moving the MS Uding vessel required precise coordination of forces across a 223-foot vessel weighing 400 tons. The transport system utilized 144 individually controlled wheel sets, each capable of rotating 360 degrees independently. The hydraulic suspension system maintains load distribution within 0.5% variation across all axles, while compensating for road crown and grade changes up to 12%. Power comes from four 600-horsepower diesel engines driving hybrid electric motors that deliver 85% power conversion efficiency. LKW Bagger. The LKW Bagger shoulder milling machine revolutionizes road maintenance with its self-propelled design capable of speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour during transit. The milling drum generates 800 horsepower through direct drive systems, achieving cutting depths up to 10 centimeters below road edge. Material removal rates reach 250 tons per hour, while maintaining grade accuracy within 2 millimeters. The machine's automated depth control system takes 400 measurements per second, adjusting cutting parameters in real time to maintain precise shoulder profiles. 22H and 18H hybrid loaders. The 22H and 18H hybrid loaders represent mining's electric future, combining diesel and electric power systems to reduce emissions by 65% while maintaining full operational capability. The hybrid power plant delivers 2,200 horsepower with peak torque of 8,500 pound-feet available from 0 RPM. Energy recovery systems capture 45% of braking energy, returning it to the power system while reducing brake wear by 60%. The patented KES technology optimizes power distribution 200 times per second, maintaining optimal efficiency across all operating conditions. Cleantech Infra Amphibious Dredger. The amphibious dredger from Cleantech Infra represents a breakthrough in versatile waterway maintenance. This remarkable machine transitions seamlessly between water and land operations with its 22-foot reach and infinite 360-degree rotation capability. The stabilizing wheel system provides 85 kilonewtons of buoyant force when extended, while delivering 120 kilonewtons of ground pressure in stabilizer mode. Its hybrid power system generates 400 horsepower while maintaining fuel efficiency of 12 gallons per hour during peak operation. The dredger's advanced buoyancy control system adjusts 150 times per second, maintaining optimal stability in water depths up to 12 feet. Its self-loading capability manages slopes up to 40 degrees through an intelligent center of gravity monitoring system that adjusts counterweight positions 80 times per second. The excavator's sealed hydraulic systems operate at pressures up to 4,800 pounds per square inch, enabling precise control even in submerged conditions. Wolf DWT-630. The Wolf DWT-630 represents the pinnacle of dewatering trencher technology. Powered by a formidable 630 horsepower Cat C8 engine, this machine carves trenches up to 19 feet deep and 12 feet wide while maintaining grade accuracy within 0.15%. The engine delivers maximum torque of 2,100 pound-feet at 1,400 RPM, enabling continuous operation in dense soil conditions. Its advanced soil analysis system processes 2,000 measurements per second, adjusting cutting parameters for optimal efficiency across varying soil densities. The trencher's automated spoil handling system moves 450 cubic yards per hour while maintaining precise separation of water and solid materials. Intelligent track tension systems adjust ground pressure 200 times per second, providing optimal traction while reducing undercarriage wear by 40%. The machine's advanced filtration system processes 1,200 gallons per minute of water, while removing particles down to 5 microns, ensuring efficient dewatering operations. Westech Woodcracker T4000. Railroad maintenance enters a new era with Westech's Woodcracker T4000 telescopic platform, reaching heights of 25 meters while maintaining stability in winds up to 45 miles per hour. The CS510 gimbal grapple delivers 510 kilonewtons of cutting force through its hardened steel blades, maintaining optimal cutting angles through 360 degrees of rotation. Automated branch detection systems process 2,000 measurements per second, adjusting cutting parameters for maximum efficiency while reducing wear on cutting components. The entire system operates on biodegradable hydraulic fluid, maintaining environmental compliance even in sensitive areas. Safe Aero 220. The Safe Aero 220 desync system represents the future of winter maintenance operations. Its wireless diagnostic system monitors 1,200 operational parameters, providing real-time feedback through predictive maintenance algorithms. The 32-foot hose reel delivers precise desync solution application at rates up to 120 gallons per minute, while maintaining optimal mixture ratios through automated density sensing systems. This technology shows how far we've come in developing machines that combine raw power with precise control, demonstrating that the future of industrial equipment lies in the perfect balance between capability and efficiency, advancing us toward even more impressive innovations on the horizon. As impressive as these machines are, they're just the tip of the iceberg. Imagine a world where even larger, more powerful creations dominate, pushing beyond the limits of what these technological giants have achieved. Make sure to watch these next videos as they showcase even more powerful and bigger machines than you can imagine, created by human ingenuity.